Hi everyone. This is a quick video direction so that you understand how to complete this assignment. What's the conflict all about? You'll need this document open, and the first step says directions. Watch this video. So you will select this video link and watch the video, and that will help you with this first section here. Please notice this part where it says stop at 7 minutes. So the video is longer, I think it's 12 minutes, but you'll be stopping at 7 minutes and you'll be responding to these questions. As you watch the video, it'll make more sense, but you'll be completing all these questions. And it says the answers will be given to you in the video so you can check your responses. So first try to respond and then see if your response was correct. Here's another reminder to end the video at 7 minutes. Next, you're going to be practicing some of the skills you learned in the first section. The directions are to highlight whether the conflict is internal, external, or both, and write what types of conflicts are occurring in the examples. If the answer is both, include your reasoning. So, for instance, here's one example. Clove was attacking Katniss. That would be an external conflict, so you would highlight external, and the type of conflict is man versus man. The second example says Katniss couldn't decide if Peeta was really her friend or actually plotting against her. That would be an internal conflict because it's something she's trying to figure out in her mind, and the type of conflict would be man versus self. Now you have several questions that you are going to be practicing your skills here. So the first one, for instance, is Vanessa wanted her cousins to go see the new Batman movie with her, but none of them wanted to join her. She felt strange going alone, but she didn't want to wait for it to come out on Netflix. So you'll highlight whether you think that scenario is an internal conflict, an external conflict, or both, and then you'll explain what types of conflict, one or two different types of conflict that you think it is. All right? Do your best. Ask your teachers if you need help.